Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install NDI plugins on OBS. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open any browser on your computer or PC. Just go in the search bar and type here OBS project NDI plugins. Alright, press enter. Go on this website, distro AV network audio / video in OBS Studio using NDI. Go on this website. Okay, you will see this. Just click on go to download. Scroll down and here download this Windows version. Distro AV 6.00 Windows 64 installer. Click on it. If you have Mac OS, download this one. Now, as you can see, the file is installed. Just click on it. On yes. Click on next. Click on next. Next. And click on install. That's it. You're good to go. Now let's check if the file is downloaded or not. Go to OBS. Now here, click on this plus icon. As you can see, the file is installed. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.